How's it going today, guys? Castillo Trading coming to you with another NPOC and daily POC update video. BTC is just ranging, and that's what you want BTC to be doing. So what's next, right? So for BTC and NPOC prints, they really do stay the same from our stream 2 days ago. No NPOC prints have changed within this. You know, the next area of interest to short on BTC is going to be that 119.096 and that 118.255. Now, that can be a take profit area. If you are long on BTC and you did end up buying at that 114, or maybe you longed at that 112, 111 once we got that wick early this morning, that's a good area to be taking profits into. So that's what I would look to. I am still not shorting. I am not going to short this market. I see no reason to short it. I think there are some good ways to hedge, but those are very short-lived hedges. And the way that I look at hedges is I am not really planning on taking profits on hedges. The only thing that they are there for is to protect against the long gains, right? So ideally, if you get into a good hedge entry, you round trip that hedge and your longs continue to grow in ROI, right? So that's my game plan with it. I'm not really planning on hedging any. Where I would hedge would be that 119, 118 if we get it, or that's going to be a take profit area for me on certain plays like those altcoins. Not a full take profit, but a partial take profit. Just like we dollar cost average in, we scale out of our plays as well. So next area of interest to long is going to be the same as well, guys. That 111.291 and that 109.019. So we will see how this plays out. This could be a rumor that gets slapped down by Jerome Powell when he starts to speak in a few hours, but ideally this is what we're looking for on NPOC levels on BTC. Not much has changed. Maybe we rally for a couple of days and then we finally get that drop off. I don't know. I'm just throwing certain scenarios at you guys. Now, Ethereum, we did have a really good long at that 4284. I even tweeted this out that we got that retest. That would be where I would be looking to long, and we ended up getting it. Is it the Pico bottom? No, it wasn't. Does it matter? No, it doesn't, because if you were longing anywhere between that 4285 all the way down to about that 4072, we talked about how important 4000 was. 4000 was being protected. Now, is it going to be protected for forever? Probably not, but I think in the short term, yes. And since just our NPOC print to the upside, we've seen 12% to the upside. And if you caught the very Pico low, you're about a 17% to the upside. So for me, I was building an Ethereum position within all this, but I also was willing to add if we wicked down below that 4K area. The game plan is still the same. The long entry is still very much the same. Finding an area to dollar cost average into is what I wanted to do. We ended up dollar cost averaging into Ethereum. I did take a couple of entries. I had more bids on my altcoins just because they were offering a little bit better entries. Ethereum, you really didn't have that much time to get positioned in the 4100 area, but I did take a long. I am still long Ethereum, and I potentially am going to take some profits on all of those trades here in a little bit, maybe here after posting this to you guys, maybe here towards the afternoon. Maybe Powell does cut rates and everything just fucking continues to skyrocket higher. Nobody really knows. All that I know is that I'm using these charts as technicals to find my entries and to find how I want to trade. Thank you guys for joining. Really appreciate you guys being in the Trade with Castillo VIP Telegram, and I'm gonna post this and I will see you guys over in the Telegram. Peace.